Hello everyone, my name is Shivina and I'm 12 years old. I'm in grade 7 and I study in Scottish High International School. I'm currently doing the Textual Python course with Tinker Coders and I enjoy coding very much. I also take interest in block coding and robotics. This competition is a great opportunity for me to showcase my coding skills and creativity. I have created a game on Scratch called and it is based on Christmas. You might have heard of an old game called Flappy Bird. I used to play that game a lot when I was younger. That is why I took inspiration from that game and made a game based on Christmas on Scratch. In the game, there is Santa Claus that has to ride on a sleigh and collect stars. The Santa Claus should not touch the buildings or the lightning storm, otherwise, the game will automatically end. If the Santa collects 20 stars, you win the game. So let me go ahead and show you my game and how it works. So these are the two hurdles of the game, the lightning storm and the building. If the Santa touches the lightning storm or the building, we have to retry the game. And I have set the limit to 20. We need 20 stars to win the game. And if the score will become 20 over here, then we will win the game. Of course, as a coder, I can change the score to any number according to whoever is playing. Right now it is 20, so I have to collect 20 stars to win the game. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you liked it.